Lorenzo!
Just as long as there's no lightning strike nearby.
No, the one that came through earlier, we scared the hell.
Oh, brother, you want some lightning? Or thunder? Yeah, okay.
Wow. It was loud.
Wow.
The lightning was loud.
Okay.
Alright guys, welcome to Defiance for the whole ride. Keep your head back against the seat. Keep those feet on the ground. And make sure you do not touch the silver buckle. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
Alright, don't freak out, okay?
I'm not letting go.
And of course have fun.
See, this is a little more.
It is. You can see a little more.
I have my eyes open right now, though.
Me too. I'm looking.
Oh boy. Yeah, my eyes are still open.
Mine are too. How long you been keeping them open?
I'm going to close them at the top.
I don't know what I'm going to do. I might want to live.
No, not at that one part.
Oh,
God, here. I got to close my eyes right now. I go on my back. I got my eyes got to be closed. Oh, don't look. Don't look.
Okay, that's a little harder.
I think I had silver coming out of my mouth.
I was really screaming. You almost say that.